In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a question paper with answers using ChatGPT. This guide will walk you through crafting a quiz using the capabilities of ChatGPT, perfect for teachers, parents, or anyone looking to create an educational resource with ease and efficiency. First, let's head over to your preferred web browser and open Google. Once you've got Google up, type in ChatGPT in the search bar. This step is straightforward. The aim is to find ChatGPT's main web page, so feel free to hit enter once you've typed it out. You should see ChatGPT's website as one of the top search results. Click on the link to enter the site. Now that you're on the ChatGPT platform, it's time to familiarize yourself with its layout. You'll typically see a chat interface where you can input text prompts that ChatGPT can respond to based on your requests and specific needs. To create a question paper, the key ingredient here is the prompt you provide to ChatGPT. This is where you'll be guiding the AI on what kind of questions you need. Let's say you're interested in making a multiple-choice quiz for 5th graders on the water cycle. All you need to do is type out your prompt accordingly. Here's a useful example to guide you. You could say, create a 10-question multiple-choice quiz for 5th graders on the water cycle with varied difficulty, 4 answer options per question, and a detailed answer key with explanations. As you prepare your prompt, you want to ensure clarity and specificity. This helps ChatGPT generate content that best suits your requirements. The more detailed you are in your prompt, the more useful and precise the output will be. After preparing the text prompt, you'll notice a button labeled Submit. Go ahead and click on it. This action will send your request to the system, prompting ChatGPT to generate the quiz based on your instructions. You'll then see a cursor indicating that it's processing, and shortly afterward, a comprehensive question paper should appear, complete with answers and explanations as you instructed. Once you have the generated questions, it's always a good idea to review them. Make sure all the content is suitable for the intended audience, in this case, 5th graders, and check if the questions align with what you had in mind. ChatGPT can sometimes surprise you with creative options, but a quick review ensures they meet your specific educational objectives. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have a ready-to-use question paper with answers created using the intelligent features of ChatGPT. Remember, you can always tweak your prompt based on different subjects or difficulty levels, opening up endless possibilities for generating educational content. Thank you for watching, and happy quiz making!